So that was the first part of this trip. We spent 3 nights and also roughly 3 days in Bangkok. We did a bunch of things. We visited a few temples, Chinatown, and a few other things, but we treated ourselves with a nice hotel, so we also spent time in the hotel and enjoying all the food. To give you a little bit of context, I was traveling with my wife and my brother and his girlfriend, and none of them are really into photography, so I don't want to use that as an excuse for the lack of good photos or videos, not at all. It's just to give you more information so you see what was achievable in that context, while still having fun doing photography, but not disturbing the group, not waiting for the perfect photos forever and make everyone wait, not leaving the group to take photos only on my own for half a day or a full day. No, this trip was really about spending quality time with family. And next stop after Bangkok was Pattaya. I have an uncle living there, more on the east side, closer to Jomtien. So yeah, let's go back to the video. a few days in Pattaya, exploring the surroundings, we embarked on the last section of this trip, which was going to Koh Chang. It's a small island quite close to Cambodia actually. It is still very preserved and there is not too much tourist there, especially this time because it was a low season and my wife left the group at this time. She took only some days off to spend 1 week with us. So definitely on the island I had a little bit more time to take some photos and go on my own. One day I even rented a small little moped, so that opens new doors in terms of photography location. But actually I really enjoyed the driving, so I did stop in a few places to take some photos, but sometimes I just kept on driving and enjoying the scenery with just my eyes, not really taking photos. But that was a lot of fun. One morning I wanted to do a little bit of a early photography session, but I had some sort of a humidity problem. Japan is also quite humid in the summer, but probably not as much. And when you spend the whole night in the hotel room with the AC on, with also your camera gear in the hotel room, when you go out in the morning, you may end up with a lot of water condensation on your lens. But for me it was even worse. It was on the front element of the lens, behind the lens, on the sensor. So I couldn't take the good photos I hoped to take, but anyway, I still enjoyed the morning scenery and it was not all that bad. But be careful with AC. After that, what I did is just leaving my camera outside for 20 minutes, half an hour before taking pictures, so it had time to adjust to the outside temperature and the humidity. beautiful landscape that I really love. A little bit of a man-made object in the form of this house. Beautiful greens in the foreground, background with the nice mountains. You have a road, so ideally you have something or someone driving this road. And yeah, it's just a very nice and balanced frame, I think. So I really love this trip, and thanks to all of you living in Thailand who sent me messages on Instagram. I hope I did not disappoint. I really loved the landscape, the environment, which is very different from Japan, so very exciting to photograph. And obviously I really love the food, so I will definitely be back. But for now, thanks for watching the video. Until next time, bye.